When it comes to aligning text in WordPress, most people quickly run into a limitation. By default, WordPress only gives you some basic alignment tools, and if you want more control, like aligning specific text in different sections, you usually end up having to write custom CSS. Now, for a lot of beginners, CSS can feel complicated and intimidating. You have to know the right code, figure out where to put it, and hope it doesn't mess up your theme design. That's where Divi makes things so much simpler. With Divi, you don't need to touch any code at all. If you'd like to follow along, I've left a link in the description where you can check it out. As soon as you add a text module, you can head over to the Design tab, and right there you'll see the text alignment options. With just a single click, you can align your text to the left, center it, or push it to the right. And the best part is, you can do this for each section or module individually, giving you complete control over how your content looks. So instead of struggling with CSS or spending time searching for snippets online, Divi gives you a straightforward, beginner-friendly way to align text exactly the way you want. And if you'd like to try Divi for yourself, make sure to click the link in the description. You can get it directly from Elegant Themes at a great price and see just how easy it makes building WordPress sites.